So this is the truck, right? Well, I'll show you. So this, from our observation and studying, is the best one. You see, everything is completely okay. No. Everything is okay in it. They advise us to take this one. Why? Because of the nature of the job. You know, the machine, yes. This is 2631. Maar sneller, de andere is langer dan deze. De andere is langer, is longer.
Ja, de andere. Oh ja, ik zie het al.
Zie je?
Ja.
Ja.